Hi, welcome to your Feldenkrais for Insomnia video. When you're ready, come to lie all the way down in your bed or wherever you're comfortable. Make sure that you have a pillow or anything else you need for support as you rest. And notice your arms by your side. And allow your breathing to come and go as it will. Allowing all the chaos of the world to remain outside of you as you keep breathing in and out. Just allowing the breath, not forcing. And then bring your hands to your belly in such a way that you bring the thumbs together and the forefingers together to make a diamond shape. And you'll put that right over your navel, resting your elbows on the ground if you can. Just begin to breathe in and out with this shape. And notice that on the inhalation, the thumbs and fingers get further apart. And on the exhalation, they get closer together. Feeling the movement of your breath with your fingers. Feeling the expansion of the lower abdomen as the fingers go apart and how they come back together as you exhale. And now pause that and bring the hands down and just notice how the lower belly is breathing without the hands. And just allow whatever noises and things around you just be, and just notice what you hear and sense. Just being okay in this moment. And now bring your hands to your middle breathing space. And this time you're going to put your two fingers together, the pointer and the middle finger, and place them over your lower ribs. So you're cradling your lower rib cage, and those two fingers are together. And now once again, breathe in and out, and feel how those fingers get closer together and further apart as you inhale, closer together as you exhale. Just feeling this space breathe. Feeling the breath as it comes and as it passes, as your fingers expand away from each other on the inhalation and sink closer together on the exhalation. And then place your palms back down next to you and just feel the breathing in both the lower space and the middle space. Notice your contact with the surface beneath you. Now place your hands on your upper chest. So your thumbs are near your collarbone. Your hands are above your breast. As you inhale and exhale here, just notice that the thumbs rise and sink. And it's a smaller movement, but allow your thumbs to ride the movement as though they're surfing a wave up and down. Riding up on the inhalation, sinking down on the exhalation. Following the breathing with your thumbs, just noticing, letting them ride on the movement. Now place your hands by your side and notice all three breathing spaces, lower, middle, and upper, all breathing together. Continue to breathe in this way for as long as you can, always coming back to the movement of just holding these breathing spaces and noticing with feedback from your hands. I hope you rest well.